Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what happens is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying my content, please take a second. Right underneath the video there is a thumbs up. If you press it, it turns blue, the number increases, and that's you helping me grow get recognized on the YouTube platform. All right, today we finally got the Allure Beauty Box in. I know mine seems to be a little bit later than a few of the other girls that have received it, but with what's going on with the weather, I'm happy that I have received it. This box was one that I was really looking forward to. Understand that I am still under the $15 a month. I did sign up for the year. I shared all that with you and did receive the mega bundle. So for me, I still look forward to receiving the Allure Beauty Box. I know, because you guys have shared with me, that a lot of you have canceled the Allure Beauty Box because the increase of $23, what you feel you're getting, based on other boxes that you receive, the value isn't there for you. My mindset is a little bit different. I'm still looking at this at the $15 value. I have enjoyed the Allure Beauty Box, and I really feel they're making some changes in it now that I'm starting to see. And so I'm hoping that by the time my renewal is, which will be the mid-summer, I will then make a decision what I'm going to do then. I do get it now directly from allure.com. I do find that I do get a lot more information from them, like newsletters, limited editions, and other things by being part of the allure.com, as opposed to getting it like I was in the past from Amazon.com. But like I said, I'm signed up for the year, so we're going to look at the products and not the value, because there was a big thing this month that what Allure was doing was they were putting in a serum that is very innovative, and it's about $150 value. So the serum that you're seeing on the screen right over here, that's the one that we're talking about. And the reason that I've chose to do the filming this way is because a lot of these products are products that you would have to use to be able to know what the results are going to be. So I'm just going to try to go through this as quickly as I can so that you guys can see what the information is, and a little bit more about what I think Allure is trying to do. From what I'm seeing is that they're trying to put more value in the box. So they've still promised us 3 full sizes, which is what we got in this box. It's more diverse because we have skincare, we have sunscreen, we have a cleanser, we have a hair product, and we have the lip product. So they're giving us a little bit of everything, as opposed to it being really strong just skincare or really strong just makeup. I really feel this box ticked off for me a lot of boxes, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try it. But like I said, this is a box that to sit down and start swatching, there's no need, because this is all products that I'm going to have to use, and I won't be able to give you the feedback on it until I have the opportunity to do that. In the Allure boxes, we always receive a brochure, and in the brochure, they always have people that have used the product, and they give you a little bit of their feedback on it, and they also give you a discount code. And I will always, as usual, leave all the information in the description box. I know a lot of girls don't do it because it is a lot of work, but I do this also for myself. So if I use a product, I want to be able to go back to the video and see the information on it and to see what the products are all about. The only variation that I saw that was going to be in this box is on the last page, and it is from the AMOREPACIFIC. This one is a really expensive brand, but I've had the opportunity to try a couple of products in previous Allure box, and I really was impressed with it, but it is an expensive brand. And this AMOREPACIFIC, the one that I got, is the cleanser, which is what you're seeing over here. And it is a sample size, or you could have gotten the essence. The full size of that product is $50, and the full size of the essence is $95. Now, the prices on this, like I said, these are really high-end brands that Allure is putting in here, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. But the main thing isn't about the price. It is about how the products will perform on your own skin tone. So, like I said, the main feature in this box was this U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. And from what I read about it, because I had the time waiting for the products and I got the Allure magazine, which I shared with you guys, this is a product that has a special compound in it that's supposed to act, it's still patent pending, but it's supposed to penetrate into our skin quicker, and we're supposed to see results faster. So they're saying that we can use it morning and night, and the ingredients that are in here are really fantastic. It's supposed to brighten, smooth. It has vitamin C, it has the alpha hydroxides, it has retinol, it has the clarifying witch hazel. It seems to combine every good ingredient, but like I said, this on its own, and that's the full size of it, is $148. So I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try it and see what those benefits are. I am finishing up some other skincare that I would like to finish first before I focus solely on this one serum so that I can see if I get the results. So this is going to take a while for me to get to this actual product, but I'm really excited to have it in my arsenal. The other product that's in here that I was excited to get was from this Christophe Robin. This is also another full-size product and is a hair cream. I enjoy using hair creams because, as you know, I have very thick hair, and with humidity down in Florida, it can look coarse, it can get frizzy, and this is something that is supposed to help with all those issues. And this is a $43 product, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try that. The other product that I'm excited to use is from Floss, which is the lip crayon. I just started using a lip crayon from Tarte, and I'm really enjoying it. Lip crayons were something that I always had, but I never really gravitated to grab it, but I've really been impressed with it. And what's nice about this Floss, and I've had the opportunity to try some lip glosses from them, what I like about the lip gloss, it is a berry color, but what I like about it is they're saying that you can do a sheer tint, or you can do multiple layers to deepen up the tone. And because we wear masks, you still need to wear a balm on your lips to make sure that they stay moist. So for me, I like that there's a balm on it that one sheer coat will at least give my face a bit of color, that when I do take off the mask, my skin is still, my lips are still hydrated, but they're still have a little bit of color on it, and I don't think it will transfer as easily as a regular lipstick. The next item that was in here is a cloth mask, which I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try, and I was also really surprised to read that it's also going to be available on Amazon, which I think is amazing. And like I said, there's all discount codes on all of these products, and I will leave those all in the description box down below. And these masks are only $1.99, but they come in a pack of 10 for $19.99, which is a very reasonable price. And if it's put in the Allure box, to me, this is one that they tried and they definitely probably saw results with it. Otherwise, they wouldn't have chose this mask. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to try that. The other little product that is in here is from the Roche Posay. And this is a brand that I find Allure really likes. And this has a sunscreen with an SPF of 100. And I've never heard of an SPF that high. And I've also read that SPFs going after over a certain number really doesn't do any benefits. But I've been impressed with this La Roche Posay, and we'll have to play with it and see what it's all about. And this one, the full size of it is only $24.99. And again, there is another discount on this that I will leave in the description box down below. So like I said, everything in here, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. There are the 3 full sizes. If you're interested in this box, I'm sure that it is still available, that you can get it on Amazon.com or even through Allure.com. My links are all down below. But whenever you sign up for Allure, the month that you sign up is usually the box that you will receive. And like I said, it is now $23 a month. The value is 100% there with this box, if the products that are in this box are ones that you're going to use and enjoy. That's how I base my value. Then if the products work, then it's something that's even a nicer thing that Allure does, is that they give us a discount to be able to purchase it in the future. So like I said, the discounts are really a nice little added feature. The fact that we get a brochure that tells us other people that had the opportunity to use it, I think is a benefit, because that's like me using it and telling you guys that as well. And usually the discounts run for at least a couple of months, so you have an opportunity to try it, and it also tells you where else it's available. So like the Christophe Robin is available at Sephora. The mask I told you was Amazon. The other one, the discounts work directly on the website of the actual brand. So like I said, I wanted to share this with you guys, and that's the Allure box for February 2021. As always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe, stay well, stay warm, and just if you're home, just make sure to be careful with everything that's going on the outside world. A lot of people don't have internet. A lot of people are stuck in ice storms. A lot of people, when they go out, they don't see the black ice. So I want everybody, please, be safe during this time. Stay home, do your skincare, do your hair care, and just enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.